My name's Ross Edwards. I farm in near Froome in Somerset, Manor Farm, which is owned by the Radstock Co-op and managed by Velcourt. The farm is 1,000 acres of mostly grass, some maize and arable in the arable rotation. The herd size is currently 700 cows and we're looking to push that towards 750 in the near future. We used to milk in a 32 rapid exit, and 500 cows through the parlour used to take about 5.5 hours of milking, with 2 people milking and 1 on yards. It was an inefficient use of labour, and the system got complicated as we tried to reduce cow standing times. We had a lot of groups to try and get them up the parlour and back as quick as we can, albeit it was still too long, and the need for a new parlour was pretty obvious when we had no time left in the day to do other farm jobs with that labour that we had in the milking parlour. So installing the parlour has been part of a bigger building project where we've been redeveloping the whole farm. From that we've got 6 new silage clamps, we've put in 600 new cubicles, and we've also put in slurry separation to make the whole farm more sustainable and fit for the future. The whole project has been based around cow welfare and operator comfort to make sure we've got good cows and good people doing the job that needs to be done every day. There's a lot of effort goes into planning to build a milking parlour. DeLavals Think Big initiative has been very helpful with that. It thinks about the bigger picture, but also the smaller things that really matter, and I hadn't considered before starting the project. So from the whole planning side of things, DeLaval were very much involved, and we had a lot of meetings talking about different layouts, different drawings went backwards and forwards, and a lot of different consultations really to make sure we got everything how we wanted it. And that included things like the cow flow, not just on the parlour, but around the farmyard to make sure the cows are going where we want them to go. Drainage, which there's a lot of work goes into, which no one ever sees, and also things like wash down and the gradients on slopes and getting the whole project to work as efficiently as we can, and the end result has been great. Since we've moved to our new parlour, we've been able to halve our milking time from where we were before. This in turn has also reduced standing times for the cows, with everything being far more efficient, and the cows are back to their beds far quicker than they were before. The milking routine is also very consistent, with different teams milking on a 3 times a day system. Wherever the cow comes in, she's treated exactly the same every milking, and for cow welfare, consistency is the most important thing. Also, kick-offs of a cluster are something of the past. The new Evanza milking clusters for that has made a massive improvement, with very little kick-offs at all. The whole system works, it's working together, has made it all happen nicely. From where we were in our old milking system, we're in a far better place now. Milking is a far less stressful environment. It just happens, it's easy, and we have also future-proofed the farm with a parlour that's got far more capacity should we need it. Overall, the project is run very smoothly. We've been very pleased with the input and the engineers from BH White & Son, which is a DeLavals dealer, and they continue to be there for service and backup any time of day or night, and on a 3 times a day system, that's crucial. The farm is now fit for the future, and we have everything we need to grow and expand our business.